Guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my costillitas de puerco. And just got back from the gym. We're gonna be like having people over, and yeah, so I'm about to make the costillitas and I'm just gonna be showing you how I make them. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm gonna be unpacking everything that I got from the store, you know, all of that. The carne that I get for these costillitas, and it's very important that you get the ones with huesito. As you can see here, I'm showing you the name. It's the tiritas de costillas de puerco. There are some without the huesito. Make sure you get the ones with the huesito because the taste will make a difference. Trust me, the huesito gives it taste. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm gonna be taking out all the costillitas from the bag. You want to make sure you get a big olla for this, okay? Because you don't want it to overflow with water and que se caiga. So I'm going to be washing the costillitas. I'm not sure. I like to do this with water. I just wash them. And that just makes me feel a little bit safer. Como que le quita poquita grasita. Obviously not a lot. But, you know, I just wash them. Just do it. And then I'm just going to place them on the side. I'm not going to put them in like that, okay? Put them on the side while you wash the rest. Something that is also very important, guys, you want to make sure that you continuously wash your hands. When you're dealing with any type of carne, especially pork, you do, I don't know, I just always have it in my head that I have to keep washing my hands. So I show you here how I wash them. I mean, you just wash them how you normally would. But yeah, that's just a little tip that I would totally recommend. Just keep on washing your hands. You want to make sure you're not left with anything because you're going to be dealing with, you know, other things too. Okay, guys, so now that you have all of your costillitas nice and washed, you're going to go ahead and start cutting them. And it's very simple. You're going to cut them into little pieces like this. And, I mean, you can make them a little bit bigger. This is not really that important, but just try to make them, like, not too big, you know? So you're going to get them about this size. And I'm going to show you how and where to cut. So basically, here you have your costillas. You're going to cut right in between these two huesitos here. So do you see where I'm cutting? Right in between, because obviously you cannot cut through a hueso. You're going to cut right in between the huesitos. And that's going to make your little costillita. It's that simple, guys. Once you have it right in front of you, you're going to know what I'm talking about. Trust me. now that I have all of my costillitas inside of my olla, I'm gonna go ahead and add water. As you can see, I added the water already here, and I'm gonna add just enough to cover the top of where the costillitas are. So just enough, you know, not that much water. You don't have to fill it all the way up, just enough. I'm gonna put it on low, and that's gonna take about 1 or 2 hours, honestly, to cook because it's gonna be on low. And I'm gonna add about, let me go get my cuchara so I can show you the real amount, because I don't even know. Honestly, you know what? If you're, well, at least for me, my family's Mexican, we don't measure anything. We don't go by the teaspoons. We just say, oh, échale como más o menos un chorrito, or, you know, we don't say, oh, 2 teaspoons and a half, you know. So I'm adding 3. I think I'm gonna add 3. Hold on. Damn. So there was 1, 2, and that's teaspoons. Teaspoons, or what, the smaller ones, not the teaspoons. Which ones are the, yeah, these are teaspoons, they're not tablespoons. So 2.5, I think I added 3. You guys saw in the video. And this is what it looks like. I just leave it on top. You don't have to mix it if you don't want to. It'll just all, once it starts boiling, it'll all just go into the costillitas. And you just wait. Okay, guys, so I'm back now. They're cooked. They're nice and cooked. A little bit too cooked, but it's fine. It's fine, all right? We're not going to make a big deal out of it. They're just a little bit more crunchy than usual. But this is somewhat of what they're going to look like once all the water is gone. So my mom, when she was teaching me how to make these costillitas, she told me that ya cuando no haya agua, when there is no more water, to turn it off and to start making the salsa. By the way, the salsa recipe is the same salsa recipe as my last video, the one where I made the salsas. And I'll talk about it later, but this is what they look like when all the water is gone. Okay, this is what they're supposed to look like right before the salsa. No, it's fine if they don't look like this, quemaditas, but you know, you get the point. Just as long as there's no more water, they don't have to be burnt like this. Hey guys, I totally forgot to film, but I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. And the salsa that I make to go with the costillas is the exact same salsa that I made on this video, which I'll have it linked down below. Easy, very, very good. Me salieron bien buenas. Not that spicy. The only thing I do different from the salsa, the recipe that I have, the red one, is that I don't put salt. I just put a little bit, 1 cucharada of consomme, because since the costillas already have seasoning, you don't want it to be too salty. So I don't really mind if the salsa is not salty at all. Like, I just want it to be like not to where it's not salty at all, but I just want it to be just right. And the costilla together, and then you taste it. If it needs salt, add more, but just be careful, because since the carne already has salt, you don't want to overdo it with the consomme. So this is what they came out looking like. Hold on, let me make them look cute. It's because we just ate, so all the, like, it's cold right now, so let me see. I don't think they look cute anymore. I forgot, sorry, to record, but this is what they look like now. I know they look greasy, but it's because right now they just, like, the grasa como que se asentó. But basically, this is what they're gonna look like. You guys, people die for these costillitas. They're always asking me for the receta, everybody, literally. So I totally recommend for you guys to try them. This is my secret recipe. I've never even shared this with anyone. So yeah, I hope you guys give it a try. It's really, really good. It's very easy. I think the main part, I did show it on camera. I just forgot to show like the finished product, but for the most part, whatever I showed was exactly how you make them. And you can even make them with a different type of salsa. This is my little recipe. This is how I make them, and people really love them. So sometimes I make them spicier, but if I find out that someone is coming over that doesn't eat spicy food, I try not to make them that spicy because, you know, I'm gonna be considerate. I'm not gonna be like a bitch and be like, the last, you know. So I try to do that. But for the most part, yeah, they're supposed to be spicy. But anyways, okay, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and if you want more, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.